fix my bust. He criticized me. New fits, and let's go to school. Hey, got it in. Don't forget your lunch. Have a great first day, sweetie. We love you. Bye, Don.
Hi there.
Hi. Whoa, that was close.
Careful. Look, the school bus is going by.
Wow, it's so big. Wow, that's my school. So many kids.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Oops, that's okay. Want to share? Yes, please.
Great job, everyone.
I like drawing. Wonderful drawing. Thank you.
All right, class, break time.
Recess time. Yay! Look at the playground. Wow, so fun. Your turn. Oh, help him catch. Got it. Oh no, the ball. It's rolling away. I got it. Yay, teamwork. We did it. That was fun. Time to go back. Let's go. B. Yes. Good job, Kitten. I can get it. Do it. Oh. That's okay. Excellent work today, kid. Thank you. Yay. Let's start our new lesson. Yay, I love this. Look what I drew! Wow, it's amazing!
Time for snack.
Yay! Snack time! Yeah!
I can't wait for snack.
Me too! Yay! Snack time! Here you go, Kitten. Thank you. Yum! Can't wait to eat. Here, you can Thanks! Yay! Well done! Yay! Snack time was fun! Let's go back! I wonder what lesson is next, too! Let's go! I'm ready! Me too! Let's start! Today, we will learn something new and fun! I can't wait! This is going to be fun! Yay! I know the answer! You got this! Go, Kitten! Yes, Kitten? The answer is Kitten's answer. Excellent answer, Kitten. Yay! Good job. We did it! Yay! Hooray! Time for a fun classroom game. Yay! Awesome! Let's play. Let's get everything ready. I'll place the cards here. Ready. We will work together to build the tallest tower. Yeah, I love building. This is going to be fun. Let's do it. Oops. So funny. Almost done. We're doing great. Teamwork. Look, I did it. Yay. It's fun. We did it. Yay. Well done, everyone. Excellent job, everyone! I'm proud of you! We did it! Hooray! Bye, everyone! See you next time!